Hi all, welcome to Data Ad Hoc YouTube channel, and for today's stream number 89 we will try to understand uh, Microsoft new report on their Microsoft Edge blog. They mention about this Edge 2025 web platform top developer needs dashboard. So it's actually the platform where uh, group test of suits for many web platforms specification. So those are requirement from developers ends which are required for uh, like from developers uh, which are required for uh, major features update across different browsers. So uh, Microsoft Edge departments works with Igalia, Google, Mozilla, and Apple's teams browser departments, and they try to improve the features or the requirement. So whenever there is a new app, so it will work smoothly across all different browsers. So if those features are consistent throughout these browsers, then that app works well irrespective of any browser. So that was the requirement many developer had, and they start working on it. I'm not sure what Igalia works with because Edge, Google, Mozilla, and Apple. So I know Apple for Safari, then Mozilla for Firefox, Edge. One minute, I will check. Uh, Igalia's prominent non-open source consultancy heavily involved in browser and web technologies. So got it. So it's consultancy, and it's actually works with Microsoft, Google, Mozilla, and Apple to review their features and to try to check score along with these different teams technicians. So this particular work progress we can see, like from 28% at the start of this year to it's almost matched around 50%. We can see that Google's Chrome is at number one, but Edge is also catching up at the same time. So effective way, interop is the most effective way. We have to collectively catch up the implementation differences and bugs. So interop is um, I have seen some interop. Yes, interoperability gaps. So those gaps should not be present differences, and if there is any bug, so those should be resolved. So those interops mentioned here, bringing implementation into alignment for the areas that are selected. So areas like different kind of test or requirements, which we will go through in some time. And also they mention about their own team. They highlight their own team that listening to developers, whether through survey, bug report, or direct collaborations. So for that, if have any feedback, then also you can provide that as well. Have, there was some feedback form. Okay, if you have feedback, then you can provide comment as well on this Microsoft Edge, Google, GitHub repository, uh, MS Edge Explainer. So you can add your comment, and those comments will be reviewed by team. So as of now, it seems since this uh, article is latest one, 26 June, so 2 days old only. So we will see few comments over the time. But here's the actual dashboard they have created for different requirements. We will also check this, and this is not the new one. So they have started this project. You can see the actual GitHub platform for Interop. So it started around 2021, and it's already for 2026. They already in progress kind of thing. So for 2025, half of the year it's completed, and those results are out. For 2026, they already started working, taking consideration of developer comments as well. Okay. So these are few requirements like scroll driven animation, cross document view transition, render blocking, container queries, page upload streaming, the marker kind of thing, then speculation rules, and we will check more on dashboard. This is the actual dashboards they have with a detailed requirement mention. For each feature listed below, relevant browser compatibility status as well as the most recent stable channel results from web platform test WPT projects are given. So these are require test which we see here numbers for this is for Edge, then Google, then Firefox and Safari. So these tests are mentioned, but actual details for each and individual test we will see here. So we will check in some time. So overall score we can see here, which we have seen earlier. So for like it's June 25, for it seems for each week they are trying to analyze and adjust score based on results, and last score we can see on June 25th. This is the complete timeline you will see here, and actual details for like different requirements, anchor positioning. So for that we can see that Edge and Chrome have similar score 125, but Firefox and Safari there is no score available, or it didn't score, and a rationale provided for the same. uh, like these features came out in first place in the list of features which developers said they had difficulties using because of lack of support or differences between browsers in the state of CSS 2024 survey. So you can check the related source for that requirement. Let's check for one, browsers in browser incapabilities. So this is from sales state of css.com. So it's since for web developers it's required mostly CSS, HTML, different programming languages are required. So you will see more kind of programming languages related queries or results which are required for web development part. So those like JavaScript also based, those related sources you will see here. Or if you are learning those web developing languages, then this is the best place where you can have more resources available or recent update in that area. So this is for anchor positioning, and for backdrop filters, blocking renders, all these features are mentioned with more details. So list goes and goes, like chat slot. JPG Excel image format is raster graphics file. So I don't know more technical terminology for from this different requirement, but I heard most of it, like somewhere like JSON file is there, or different models are there, but I haven't worked on it. So it's regarding the actual requirement and score. For more detail, this is the we can see draft version for dashboards, where actual detail with different for each test is mentioned, but we also have stable version of it. Here we have stable version of it. So uh, this is the draft version they have, and here is the stable version. And we can see the interops. This is 2025 dashboard. You can also check previous one. Dashboard. Okay, this is the latest one. Okay, let's go through this one only. So we will refer to 2025 dashboard. So here we can see it, interops is for overall 36 score is there, and currently there is no investigation going on for any bug or kind of thing. And for each browser they have mentioned overall score. For Google 88, Edge 91, Firefox 66, Safari 50. And for different area, this is for overall, and for each and every area we can see the timeline for all the browsers. We can score how it improved, or there is a decreasing like update as well. And also if you want to check more details about how, like for this layout kind of thing, so you need to click on that, and those text or details will be populated. So for uh, this layout, they have two criteria: CSS flexbox and CSS grid. And how many totals tests are there, and how many passed out of this. So those you can see here. For age you can see here is the 100%, for Chrome is also 100%. And if you want to check for that particular test, you need to click on it, and all the details of those tests will be uh, mentioned here. So here are few bugs are mentioned or listed. And if you want to check more details about align baseline kind of thing for HTML, those also you can see for like how many seconds or how many if passed or not, and how much duration it took to complete that day. And you can also check history. So this kind of dashboard or reports is very good for developer, and also we can see how it progressed over the time, and it makes sure that developer uh, because of developers proactiveness, and if they provide feedback or list their issue or difficulties, then if the respective organization or tech department, if they listen, then this kind of progress we can see over the time in and like after all it will only accelerate the end users experience throughout this different update only. So WPT, web platform test dashboards, it's about we have already seen. So this is previous one, and so stable experimental. Okay, now let's go to their GitHub link, where you can search for like for all results throughout the 21 to 2025. And for each section, where we did privacy testing. So privacy testing is mentioned here. Privacy is an essential feature of web platform. The goal is to investigate tests that should be written to better cover the privacy related features of the platform and write those tests. The focus area proposal. So so that feedback is closed, it seems closed now. So you can see here conversation and track this those issue related thing, all issues for that area. You can see more details in those links. Test we have selected will be continue run on automated testing infrastructure. So they already set up automation part where uh, if there is any glitch or bug for have for that features, it will be highlighted. So if you are from web development background or working on the same field, so this is the dashboard you can you must check for uh, what is the current requirements and top developer needs. So that's it today for data ad hoc stream number 89. Let's meet next time with another interesting data design code topic. Thank you.